Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of cool products. Push like and let's go!
Introducing CZUR Mirror, the ultimate smart AI posture corrector. Unlike the standard posture correctors on the market, that would probably hurt your back even more. Mirror, on the other hand, does not force you to sit straight. It helps you form a correct sitting habit without you even noticing it.
Please mind your posture. Sit up straight, raise your head.
It looks awesome and sleek, and it can be of great help. Thanks to the CZUR AI chip, it comes with an app. You can choose between different modes, different notification methods, set reminders, and generate your own sitting posture report without breaking a sweat. CZUR Mirror doesn't take much space at all on your desk. Using it is incredibly easy. Just turn it on and connect to your phone. Switch between voice notification and indicator notification if you are afraid of disturbing others. It has two modes. Smart mode saves the hassles, and you can start sitting straight without any setups. Custom mode will enable it to adapt to any working environment. No matter if you are in the office, working from home, or straight up out in the middle of nowhere, you can bring it anywhere you go. So whether you are looking down at your phone a little bit too much, getting a little too workaholic at times, or just in general want to a better sitting posture, CZUR Mirror is a no-brainer.
Many friends often go out by bike, just like me. But there are always situations of bikes being stolen or keys being not found everywhere. At this time, it's Yeelock Fingerprint Disc Brake Lock's chance to distinguish itself. It possesses a cool appearance, exquisite and easy to carry. For it, both fingerprint and keys are available. Yeelock offers a fingerprint input of 16 fingers with an automatic locking by pressing. The battery is lithium button cell innovatively with endurance of 1 year, which can be replaced by the users themselves. In design, it is waterproof cover externally, while it is of silicone waterproof rings internally. With waterproof grade of IPX7, it adopts hardened Zine alloy materials which can effectively help avoid the damages caused by external forces. The 6mm lock pin is available to most bikes, e-bikes and motorbikes with disc brakes. This little stapler will guard your vehicles all along.
All links to the products in the description below the video.
Meet Quell, the future of fitness gaming. Quell combines the excitement of gaming with a high-intensity, full-body combat workout. Lose yourself in an unforgettable fantasy adventure, fighting enemies with your fists and racing your way through a beautiful world. Fight, dodge, run, leap, and cast spells as you take on each new challenge in a world where the hero gets stronger as you do. Feel every punch like it's real with the world's first fitness gaming console, featuring powerful haptics, customizable resistance, and high-performance motion tracking. Level up your strength, technique, and fitness with workouts tailored to your goals and skill level. Square off with your friends to see who's best, or take on the hardest trials side by side.
Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell.